There's no one perfect position for you to burp. Ramai parents yang tanya I, doktor kalau baby I tak burp okey ke? Kalau baby tak burp and they are very comfortable, so that's fine. But let's say after 1 hour tiba-tiba dia muntah, then that's another problem. Mungkin dia ada reflux. For burp ni, there's a lot of position, shoulder ke, on your lap ke, on your chest ke. My own preference is on your lap. On your lap tu because you boleh nampak dia. I teach you how to do the lap position. Ibu jari dengan jari telunjuk ni pegang the jaw and your palm is at the chest like that. Just a gentle tap or gentle massage up. The reason behind kenapa kita burp is actually bila baby isap susu, they also take in a lot of air. Some babies mungkin sikit je angin yang dia take in. The key is sabar. So 5 to 10 minutes you try, tapi dia tak burp and dia selesa nak tidur lepas tu, tak apa.